Hey gang, welcome to MozTech. On today's project, we have an old Lenovo M73 ThinkCentre, which has been stripped of its power supply already and its hard drive already. So I'm taking a gamble and I'm buying a 24-pin to 14-pin adapter from eBay so I can use the standard ATX power supply, fire this puppy up, see if it even works. With my fingers crossed, I will be rehoming the motherboard into my yellow case I just modded. So let's get at her. Upon a CMOS battery replacement, it struggled to post. Seems someone had a jumper in a clear mode with jumper in the correct position. Here we go. And for those who didn't see the case mod, it was the video right before this one. Yeah, it took a little bit of painting, a little bit of sanding, but looks pretty nice. What do you think? This build cost me around $7 because I already had everything. And besides the ATX adapter cable, and I'm really truly happy with the results. I think it looks good and it performs good for what it is, and I'll let you know about that in a second. And now under the hood, we have a 4th gen Intel Core i3-4130. That is a Haswell processor with a mere 2 cores and 4 threads. That's going to top out around 3.4 to 3.6 gigahertz. And 2 times 4 gigabyte sticks of the finest Chinese DDR3 that money can buy. Oh yeah, it's by that company, and maybe even that speed. Oh, heck, I don't know. But what I do know is I'm running Spectre Ghost Windows 10 and a pallet NVIDIA GTX 560 Ti 1GB graphics card given to me for free. So let's see if this stuff can play anything, shall we? Alright, my favorite part, starting out here with Apex Legends at 720p low settings with the 560 Ti overclocked. Seems to be running rather smooth. We got a mechanical hard drive here running the whole thing, so that might account for some of the frame drop, but seems to be okay to me. Oh, sit your butt down. It's kind of funny. This is a Lenovo business class PC here with a 560 Ti. I mean, I wonder what these boys are playing on. Makes you wonder, huh? Last round, my friend. I wonder if we can do this. I really think we got a chance. Wow, that, my friends, is an old PC brought back to life. And let me tell you, I almost threw these 2 items away earlier, but I'm glad I didn't because, I mean, I'm having so much fun with this and it looks good and just plays excellent for what it is. I'm a poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. this old Lenovo. This thing said I have seen better days. Oh, way better days. But it's never been a gamer. Till now.